Hi, I'm Saroj Agarwal, co-founder of Man Ki Baat, A Journey Within.
Hi, I'm Babita Jhunjhunwala, also a co-founder of Man Ki Baat, A Journey Within. Friends, have you ever heard these remarks said to you? What are you talking about? I never said that. You're overreacting.
You're upset over nothing. You're remembering things wrong. Stop imagining things.
All you had to do is follow my instructions. It's your fault. It's always something about you. Oh, now you're going to feel sorry for yourself.
And if you think people are praising you, forget it. Even your parents don't praise you. Don't you know the whole family talks about you? They think you're just losing it. Friends, if this is happening to you repeatedly over a period of time, then you're being gaslighted. So, Babita, what actually is gaslighting?
Because gaslighting is when someone makes you doubt yourself, your judgment, your memory, and even your sanity. People who gaslight, they become an expert at pushing your buttons, and they know your sensitivities, your vulnerabilities, and they use this very knowledge against you. Gaslighters, they feed their victims false information, and that leads these victims to question even themselves. And over time, a gaslighter's manipulations grow so complex that the victim is unable to see the truth. So, Roj, how do we understand that we have been gaslighted?
You see, Babita, gaslighting happens amongst the closest of friends and family around us. People who are close to us gaslight us. So, the most important and common sign of gaslighting is lying. If a person lies to you even at a drop of her hat, and if it happens repeatedly, that means he's gaslighting.
Saroj, when you're saying this, an incident comes to my mind. My friend related this that one day her husband told her that we'll go out for dinner, so you be ready in the evening. Her wife was very happy. But when the husband came in the evening, he just slept, and the wife was wondering, ki kya hua? So the wife said, come on, let's get ready. We have to go out for dinner. So the husband says, what are you talking about? I never said that we'll be going out for dinner. So the wife said, of course, you promised me. The husband said, you are just overreacting. I never said anything to you.
This actually happens. This is what gaslighting is. The gaslighter will always use his victim according to his requirements and his needs. जब मन हुआ हाँ बोला सुबह, जब मन हुआ रात को ना बोल दिया. And
Yeah,
they
so the
also
husband was tired. He didn't want to go. So he just used it as an excuse कि मैंने तो कभी बोला ही नहीं.
absolutely. And they also use your weaknesses against you, be it your children, be it your parents, or be it a simple habit of yours. There was this wife who was a complete shopping freak. सारा पैसा शॉपिंग में उड़ाती थी एंड husband because of his fixed income could not live up to his demands. So he started in return, he started hearing these comments कि तुम तो मेरे लायक ही नहीं हो, मेरे पापा ने पता नहीं तुमको देख के क्या देखा जो मेरी शादी कर दी, and blah blah blah. So the husband in return, he lost his self esteem, totally went low in his self esteem, low in confidence, and उसका एक ही purpose था कि मैं कैसे अपनी wife को खुश रखूं. Life became hell for him. This is how gaslighters work, trying to control the people
Yes, and
around
they
them.
also twist and reframe conversations constantly, which wears you down over time. It is done so gradually and slowly that the victim doesn't even understand. एक झूठ बोल दिया इधर, एक झूठ उधर बोल दिया, कहीं कोई ताना कस दिया. Saroj, suppose, like just as an example, if your mother-in-law tells you every day कि तुम तो एकदम अच्छा खाना नहीं बनाती हो, slowly over time it will become your belief कि मैं तो अच्छी कुक हूँ
Absolutely.
नहीं, मैं तो अच्छा खाना नहीं बनाती हूँ. And then what will
Absolutely.
that do to your self-esteem?
Absolutely. Absolutely. And फिर जब उनकी जरूरत हो कि suppose her friends are coming over for lunch, then she'll show such compassion and इतना प्यार that I'll end up cooking for the whole party इतना happily. And I don't even realize that she has pushed my buttons in the correct way and made me work according to her wishes. This is how gaslighting works, Babita. कब जब मन चाहा ये बटन दबा दिया, हम लोगों को ताने कस दिए या some subtle remarks which made us unhappy. And when they wanted, they इतना प्यार लुटाया कि we became very happy. This is what gaslighters do actually.
And they will subtly spread all these rumors and gossips about you to the others. And they will just pretend ki they are so worried about you, but subtly they are telling others ki she is emotionally unstable, she is crazy. And the gaslighter also lies to you and tells you that other people think that you're crazy, isn't it?
Absolutely. See, I can give you an example here. There was this group of friends, 5 or 6 friends together. They used to move together. There was this one friend who did not like the other friend. But she started spreading rumors about the other friend to all the rest of the group. She's a fake friend. She just shows off all her money. She is not good. She has fights in her home and more such things. So the other friends started, isolating her. उससे दोस्ती नहीं करते थे. उसके साथ ज़्यादा time नहीं बिताते थे. On the other hand, the same person was so overtly friendly with that lady that lady started believing, oh, this is my best friend, and she started emotionally being dependent on that lady. So this is how gaslighter works. He or she isolates the victim from the rest of the peers and groups so that he himself can control that person.
And such an effective tactic the gaslighter has used to isolate this lady from all of her friends. And the friends also isolated themselves without knowing the full story.
Yes, absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
they'll tell you that everyone else is a liar. If somebody praises you, so they'll say, नहीं नहीं वो तो ऐसे ही बोल रहा है, झूठ बोल रहा है वो. They don't mean it. By doing this, they'll make you feel कि nobody loves you. And in this way, they'll isolate you from everybody, from friends, your family, your loved ones, because they just want to have a control over you, and so that you are
Absolutely.
totally dependent on him. है कि नहीं?
Absolutely. No, they just work like puppets. जब उंगली में strings है हमारे, जब मन हुआ जिस string को उठाया, and the victim moves according to their wishes. So friends, be aware. Are you being gaslighted or are you gaslighting someone? Thank you.
Thank you.